So, and we're given the following process. It is what we're going to come to find out is a solubility process when we in our studies of equilibrium. We have the insoluble hydroxide, which dissociates slightly in water to the aquated magnesium ion plus 2 hydroxide ions. And we're given the delta G naught of formation of these, and that is minus 833.5 kilojoules per mole, minus 455.4 kilojoules per mole, and minus 157.24 kilojoules per mole. So, given this information, part A, what is delta G naught for the process? What's the Gibbs free energy change for the overall process? And delta is always what?
Changing.
But it's always
Final minus initial.
final minus initial. So we're going to take the free energy of formation of the products, each multiplied times its stoichiometric coefficient, minus the free energy of formation of the reactants. And the one problem that I saw on the tests people were making more often than not was they did it in the reverse order. They took reactants minus products, and that was backwards. So they got everything right, but the sign was reversed. Okay, so that's one particular thing we want to pay attention to. And so we'll start with, there is 1 mole of delta G naught is going to be equal to 1 mole of magnesium times minus 455.4 kilojoules for every 1 mole of magnesium, plus 2 moles of hydroxide times minus 157.24 kilojoules for every 1 mole of hydroxide, and that is minus 1 mole of magnesium hydroxide times minus 833.5 kilojoules for every 1 mole of magnesium hydroxide. And now, the next part, so this you would have on the paper. Then you take your scratch paper out, and over on your scratch paper you're going to work out the actual mathematics. So I have to take 157.24 times 2 is 8, 4, 14, 11, 314, and plus 455. 8, 8, 1, 5 is 9, 5, 1 is 6, 1, 3 is 7. So this is going to be equal to, minus 769.88 kilojoules per mole. And that's going to be plus, because a minus times a minus, plus 833.5 kilojoules per mole. gotta go over and get my scratch paper out again. 833.5 and 769.88. That is going to be 2. 14 minus 8 is 6. That is 12 minus 9 is 3. 12 minus 6 is 6. So it equals 63.62 kilojoules per mole. So all of this over here is scratch paper. It doesn't occur on the actual test. And when I said do your work on scratch paper and put the relevant information on the test, this would be the relevant information. Okay. And the scratch paper was the part where I was doing all that ciphering stuff. As Jethro Bodine used to refer to it as, being able to cipher. Okay. And so that's problem 5A. And now we want to move on to 5.